Come test drive the 2020 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.